What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We are just taking a look at Polygon here, and as we can see, still chopping it up inside this range that we have been in for God knows how long now. You know, Polygon, in comparison to the wider market, really is showing a lot of strength, isn't it? We've seen so many altcoins on the channel. They are just grinding to the downside right now, making lower lows and lower highs continually, pretty much every single week. But you can see here with Polygon, obviously we came down, had this big overextension to the downside, but really since then we've had a bit of a renaissance and actually just been going sideways for the past 5-6 months now, probably more like 7 or 8 months actually. And it is really interesting to see that it is actually holding these very key levels of support really well, isn't it? There's obviously a lot of demand for Polygon. You can see every time we get down towards that 0.38 Fibonacci level at around 75 cents, we do get a bounce. We've got a bounce here, 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 here. Obviously we got up to that 618 level, but we did get rejected, followed by the FTX collapse, sending us back down inside the range. We come down here and looking like we are potentially coming back down. If we look at the hourly time frame here, most likely coming back down to retest those levels again. We would say down at around that 75 cent level. That is obviously a big key area of support. Down to around 70 cents, you'd say anywhere in this region here, you'd probably see a very decent bounce for Polygon. And we'd probably be waiting potentially, if we do see ourselves getting back down towards that 75 cent level, I'd probably be looking at putting on maybe a cheeky long, looking something like this. Looking to, just have the stop loss just below the area, maybe just below those previous lows down here. Looking something like that. And then looking basically to target back up inside of this range. Probably coming back, at least halfway back up inside the range. Probably be a fairly good place to target maybe these lows, these previous support lows here as resistance. That would probably be a fairly likely outcome, we would say, considering how well Polygon is holding support at the minute. So really, over the past few days, not much has been happening. Obviously, you can see we are most likely making our way down, back down to that key level of support for a bounce. But obviously, there's quite a few bullish divergences here, and we could easily see Polygon in the short term bouncing back up to some of these levels anyway, in our opinion. So, short term, we are bearish on most cryptos as things do continue down in the bear market, but mid to long term, still feeling optimistic and bullish that things will pick up over the next few years and head back to the upside. We do have a good bag of all these top cryptos, and we are expecting them to hit some very nice price targets in the next 5 or so years, we would say, as we go back into the next bull market and cycle. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching indeed. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video.